In Ireland, as elsewhere, COVID-19 is causing real fears for the winter months. The country's just recorded more than 1,000 new cases in 24 hours. Now the government's approved the highest level of restrictions for a limited duration. People will be asked not to leave their home except for exercise. Non-essential shops will be shut, with restaurants only operating takeaway and delivery services. Wales has taken a big step down its own path. The devolved government is starting what it calls a 2-week fire break from Friday, the type of restrictions last seen back in the spring.
Between Friday, the 23rd of October and the 9th of November, everyone in Wales will be required to stay at home. This means working from home wherever that is possible, and the only exceptions will be critical workers and jobs where working from home is simply not possible.
The Welsh Government says the measures need to be short and sharp to fight an exponential rise in COVID-19 cases. It's offering almost $400 million in support for businesses affected. While the UK has Europe's highest COVID death toll, Belgium has the world's second highest toll per population. Authorities there are warning of a tsunami of new cases.
To sum up, infections are doubling every 8 days and hospitalisations are doubling every 7 days. On Tuesday, October the 13th, we reached 12,051 new infections. This figure is the highest figure ever reached so far.
Bars and restaurants across Belgium are now shut for an entire month, and a nighttime curfew starts on Monday. This restaurant owner says he understands the moves.
The virus will keep spreading if people are not disciplined. In some other countries, people are behaving, and they can see the end of the tunnel, but here people are not disciplined.
And in Italy, they're also bringing in new measures, including earlier closures for bars and restaurants and a push to increase working from home. The aim is to avoid the need for a true lockdown. Across the continent, rising numbers of coronavirus cases and hospital admissions are reigniting the debate over how far to close down society and for how long. Nadim, Al Jazeera.